You look far. Me, you look far.
But the boxes are going to be too close.
Oh, okay. U-N-I-T-Y. Okay. Find the page. There you are, chocolate and vanilla. BFF. I'm so dumb.
I think I know them.
Let me go up on it. So that let me make sure if I'm done. Yeah.
So we don't hear ourselves echoing.
Right. Oh, wrong thing with a button. Miss Laurel, Queen Laurel, big up yourself. Good night, good night, good night. I'm back.
Wow, big up yourself, Queen.
Big up yourself, Queen. What a
Sheridan, big up.
Sheridan, big up yourself. Who else there?
Happy Wednesday.
Happy Wednesday.
Good day, whatever it is for you.
I told you guys that we're going to be back.
Yes, here we are.
And here we are. We're back. What's up our sleeve?
Laurel Murray, big up.
Who?
Laurel Murray.
Laurel Murray, good night. Just a wait for, you know, the life to build up a little bit. We're not going to wait for the crowd. You know, we're still impatient, but...
Just get into what we are doing.
Sandy K, big up yourself. Sandy K, blessings.
Pat Mullins,
big up yourself.
Time.
Long time not catch a live. Really?
Wagwan. Oh, thank you so much for the stars, Patricia. Thank you.
Thank you so much for the stars. Appreciate it. How you guys doing? Everybody good? All is well?
Hope everybody's having a blessed week so far.
Verna, good night, Verna. Yes. We just gonna give a couple, like, another minute.
if Chocolate gives it another minute. If she gives it another minute.
1 minute. We have some master baker characteristic, you know what I mean? Made out of patience. Yeah, that's that. We just want to get the thing going. Novelet.
Verna.
I'm in the hospital.
Hope your client's okay, Verna.
Hope your clients is okay. Gritly, big up yourself.
Abina.
Marlene Diley. Good night.
Big up one and all.
I give myself away.
Opal Nelson.
So you can use me. I give myself away. So you can use me. My life is not my own. To you I belong. I give myself to you. I give myself away. So you can use me. I give myself away. My life is not my own. To you I belong. I give myself to you. Yes, we know a long time when I come do praise and worship. It seemed long. Tonight is not praise and worship though. Tonight is our back to school giveaway.
Sheridan said, Chocolate, I want your hair or else I'm sending mixy fit. Roper Spice.
Oh, we are gonna scare me.
Misty.
Everybody just want to stick me up for everything since mixy teeth master baker things. People just want
take everything
from me. You know what I mean?
Take it.
I don't know, me enough to take it from a master baker. Yes. Pat Williams, good night. All right, so tonight, guys, we're going to do our back to school giveaway. Every year we try to bless some students in whichever little ways that we can. We know that there are You know, parents struggling out there.
Thank you, Laurel.
Good, thank you, Miss L'Oreal. Thank you. Appreciate the stars.
Thank you so much. Appreciate
Yes,
it.
we know that even though sometimes we might think we have life difficult, hard, or whatever the case may be,
Yeah.
there's someone else out there that's having life a little bit harder. Yes, that's how we look at life. A lot of people are not given the same opportunities that a lot of us have. You know, a lot of us have. And I look at life that way. I look at what if I was in that person's position? What if I was trying, but yet still, you know, I fall short sometimes. I would love for someone to be there to offer some help to me.
Yes.
So, we don't do anything for hypes.
No.
Don't do anything for views.
We give this from a loving heart.
We do it from our hearts because
Yes.
we know how blessed we are. We know that, you know, sometimes I say, you know, sometimes I think on my life and certain things I said, you know, I don't deserve these things, Lord. So I know how blessed I am. And to do something like this, it's really a part of me. It's what's instilled in me. It's what I've seen my mom have done all of her life. And something that I really, really admired from a child to an adult. Everybody that knows me will tell you guys, it's not happening since chocolate been on social media.
It's been long before.
It's not for social media likes or whatever it may be. It's because how God, the goodness of God, I just want to share his blessings in my life to others. I cannot change the world, and that's if you've been watching me now for a long time, you'll know this is one of my lines that I've used over and over. I'm not here to change the world, but if I can change someone's world, that is enough for chocolate. So tonight we have 2 boxes here with school supplies. And in addition to that, we have cash to help 2 parents tonight. We have cash to help 2 parents. And we have 2 boxes to help 2 parents.
You can only win once.
You can only win once because it's about sharing.
Yes.
Yes? If we were selfish,
as many people as we can.
If we were selfish, we would not be doing something like that. So think about it that way. You know, if you ended up being a winner, think about that someone else want to win the same way you have that urgency to win the first time. So give someone else a chance.
Yeah.
That's all we're asking for tonight. Yes? So this is how it's going to work. It's not going to be a game.
No.
It's going to be up to our audience who's watching tonight. We are going to accept... We're going to accept 6 phone calls tonight for the 2 boxes. You're going to tell us why you think you deserve to get one of these boxes on here tonight. The audience is going to choose 2 people from those 6 phone calls and tell us who to bless with those 2 boxes. We don't want to choose.
We don't want to.
We want you guys to help.
We need your
have
assistance.
made choices behind the scenes, right? So when we come to our platform, we want to get you guys involved. You guys can hear what we are not hearing. So be our ears tonight and make a choice to bless a child, 2 children. 2 children for back to school on the chocolate and vanilla platform tonight. We also have an extra surprise
Yes,
after.
yes, we do. So stay tuned.
Yes. Is it money in the boxes? No. Social media newsroom? No. The 2 boxes are school supplies. If I'm not sure you were on here when we went shopping for back to school supplies. We got a lot of stuff. We split them into.
We came on and everybody agreed that it should be split into. We asked.
Yes, so we split them into. And they're school supplies.
Yes.
For back to school. We have box number 1 and box number 2. The first person who's gonna end up being the choice from being the winner. From the audience will get to choose either box number 1 or 2. The other person will automatically get whatever box is left. All right. Then after that, we have $200 that we're going to split. 100 for one person and 100 for the other person. We're going to take 6 more calls for the cash. Then it's up to the audience to decide. You're going to tell us why you deserve that $100 tonight. That's how it's going to work.
Yes.
No games.
Nope.
That's it.
That's it.
So we're about to open up the phone lines. We're going to put the 2 boxes on the table right here in front of us. We're going to open up the phone line for the 2 boxes.
What's your water?
All right.
Your water.
My water. Okay. It's going to block us, so maybe we can't. Maybe we can't.
Yeah. Okay, let me just put this one. This is box number 1.
This is box number 1.
Okay. Be
careful, they're heavy.
This is box number 2. Okay? All right.
We're about to open up the phone lines.
Work my
you're
muscles
gonna
tonight.
call. We're gonna take 6 calls, telling us why this box would be helpful to you. It's gonna be up to our audience members, to decide on who we choose from those 6 calls to become a winner of the boxes. All right. So the phone line is now open.
The number's pinned.
The number is pinned.
Oh, let me ask you for repeat.
Oh, you want me to repeat?
Then say then just join.
Okay. The phone lines are who's blowing up? The phone line. Why? Oh, that's because we're just going in here. A whole bunch of messages. All right. We have a caller. Hello, good night. All right, hold on. Hold on for me, caller. Hold on for me. Hold on. Oh, well, I need your help to bring up the phone, to bring up the speaker. Hello, good night.
Good night, Vanilla and Chocolate. My name is Odessa.
Hi, Odessa. How you doing?
Odessa.
I am good. I cannot complain as long as I have life.
That's wonderful.
That's
to
right.
hear.
So tell us why you think you deserve the box.
Well, I think I deserve the box because I'm a single mother of 3 and I'm not working right now. I did a surgery a couple months ago and I didn't even start buying school supplies as yet. For the kids as yet to go back to school, and I'll be grateful if I can get the box with the school supplies.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Thank you.
All right.
So much.
Thank you so much, Odessa.
All right, thanks.
Where are you, Odessa?
Brooklyn.
Brooklyn. Okay. Thank you, Odessa. All right. Okay, so we have Odessa. You heard her story. Why this box would be beneficial to her. Yes, others were calling, but it's just one line, so feel free to go ahead and call back. In the school boxes, if you were watching us It's a lot of stuff to go through one by one, but I'll briefly tell you what's inside the boxes. There are pens, pencils,
Highlighters,
binders,
erasers, sharpeners, staples,
ruler,
pads of paper,
someone's calling,
composition notebooks.
books. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Hello.
Hello, how you doing, Queen?
Yes, I'm doing good. You know, not so bad. I don't know if is it possible that I can do the game in Jamaica. I'm from Jamaica.
Yes,
Yes.
you can.
Yes.
You can. Yes.
Okay.
So go ahead and tell us why this box would be beneficial to you.
And what is your name?
My name is Evelyn Slater from Jamaica.
All right, Evelyn.
Yes, and I'm a grandma, and I have a grandson and my daughter here, and I'm not working at the moment, and it's back to school time, and honestly, it's very hard as a grandmother, and I'm not working.
Okay.
Okay.
And the mother is not here with me. She's not doing well also. So I think I really in need of it.
All right,
Okay.
Queen. All
All right,
right.
thank you
Good
so
luck,
much,
Queen.
Queen. Good
All
luck.
right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
All right. So far we
Yeah,
have
two.
we have 2. Yes.
Out of 6.
Out of 6. And if you're waiting for the cash, I'm watching you. I'm just putting it out there. If you think, okay, it's just for the cash, no, tonight the audience gonna choose. So I'm just putting it out there. There are, what else are in the boxes?
So we have binders, we have the loose leaf paper, we have legal paper, we have folders, whiteout, scissors, index cards, we have the
Pencil holder.
the pencil boxes.
Boxes, right?
These are the pencil boxes.
Yeah, water bottles.
Water bottles.
Yeah.
Um,
Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Hi, good night.
All right, Queen.
what is your name?
You don't have to tell us your entire name when you call, because we want some type of confidential, we want
Confidentiality.
confidentiality.
So just tell us
So just your first name, or even if you want to make up a name, that's fine. We don't want to put anybody on blast, all right? So go right ahead, Queen.
My name is Tash.
Okay, Tash.
Okay, I would really like to win those book supplies to help my son with his PEP, because he have PEP this year, and I got a book list, and it's 64,000, and I really wish I could win something from it tonight.
Okay,
I really
Tash.
appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, Tash,
Okay,
good
and where are
luck.
you located?
I'm located in Jamaica.
Okay. All right. Thank
All
you
right,
so
Queen.
much, Queen.
Good luck.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
So
that's
we
good.
have
So
3.
more.
We have 3 more to go. The phone line is now clear. We have 3 more to go for the school supplies, as we were saying. Hello, good night.
Hello. Good night.
Hello, good night.
Hi, Queen.
Good
Good
night.
night.
What if you have a friend that you need of it? Can you enter for that friend?
Yeah, let's hear your friend's story. Why you think this would help your friend?
Yeah, because she has a daughter and she used to work, but she has a back problem that she's not able to work right now.
Okay. All right. And this is Gillette?
Yeah, Juliet. Yeah.
Okay.
For my friend.
All right, for your friend. All right. All right, Gillette, good luck.
Okay.
All right. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Good night.
Good night. Good night.
Good night. Go right ahead, Queen.
I think I deserve the box. I have a daughter going to school and it's very hard.
Okay.
Okay.
What is your name? Say Say your name for me again.
Natasha.
All right, Natasha, where are you located?
Jamaica.
All right, Natasha, good luck.
Good luck. One more call.
One more, you can go ahead and call. You can go ahead and call in. One more call for the boxes. Someone was calling. You can go ahead and call back. All right. Here we go. Hello, good night.
Oh,
Okay, they hung up. All right, let's go.
one more.
We're not accepting voice notes. Call. You got to call, please. Hello, good night.
Hi, good night, Queens.
Good
Good
night.
night.
My name is Patricia. I'm calling to assist some individuals. I work extra shift just to help out some kids in Jamaica in my district. Actually, I just sent some money off today, but other people are reaching out, other children, families are reaching out to me for help with their kids. So if I do win something here, I'll be able to assist more kids in my district, from my district.
Okay.
All right. And you're Patricia. All right, Patricia, good luck. All right.
That's
Thank
it.
you.
That's the last one.
That's it.
Yep.
That's it. Patricia's
That's it
the
for
last
the
one. So come on, kings and queens
All
in
right.
the live.
You-
All right, we're gonna after decline the boxes. We have all the calls. Should we go ahead and take a couple more? What do you guys think? Let's hear from our audience. Should we take a couple more calls? Should we move it up? Guys, I'm waiting for you. You guys are the...
Can I win for my son? I don't buy anything for my son yet.
You have to call in and share your story. You cannot do it in the comment section. You have to call in. All right?
Yes, take 3 more.
All right, we're going to take some more calls. Feel free to call. All right? Feel free to call. We're going to take 3 more calls. Somebody said no.
Two people have said yes.
2 people have said yes. So we're going to take a few more calls. It's not up to us. It's the audience tonight. Hello, good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night, Queen. Go right ahead.
No, Queen, I have something to say. I was in church and I just hear it pop up, so I just come outside, teething and listening, and you're calling. So I just give a call. So I didn't miss what's going on.
Yeah? You give a call to do what?
Yeah.
To hear what's going on?
Yes, I teeth was at church. I just hear pop up and I just come out church.
Okay. While we're on, you can watch the live. We're doing our back to school giveaway.
Yeah, I know it's, I realize, but I didn't hear if it's a question or what, so I'm going back inside.
Oh, no, it's not a question. It's just to call in and say why you think you deserve the box. What, you know, what's the situation? Why would the box be helpful to your situation?
Okay, in my situation, please, it's not my grandchildren. I have a niece and a neighbor, and they're well in need to go back to school. Their parents father not maintaining them.
Okay.
So,
Where are you located, Queen?
I'm in Manchester, Jamaica.
Okay, Queen. Well, best of luck, all right?
What is
your name?
Sandra Spencer.
Okay, Sandra. Big up yourself, Sandra.
All right, Sandra.
And good luck.
Yeah, I'm praying for you. Yeah, I'm back to church.
All right. All right. Hello, good night.
Good night, good night. I come on the live late, chocolate and vanilla.
Okay.
So what we are going to do for the win?
Just call in to say why the box would be helpful to a child. If you have a child or whomever you're wanting to win it for.
Okay, I have a 9-year-old son. I don't buy anything yet for back to school. So bag books and whatever would be acceptable.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
And what is your name, Queen?
Okay. Thank you, chocolate and vanilla.
What is your
What
name?
is your name?
Suzette.
All right, Suzette. All right, Suzette, good luck.
Yes.
All right, we're going
All
to
right.
stop the phone calls right now. And we're going to ask you guys to put the 2 names in the comment that you think are deserving of these 2 boxes tonight.
All right, we have Suzette, we have Sandra, Odessa, Evelyn, Tosh, Gillette, Natasha, and Patricia.
All right, we're watching out the comment. Somebody
All
said
right, caller
voted for
number
number
one.
1. That was who?
Odessa.
Odessa. All right, Odessa as 1. Odessa as 2. Yes. Odessa as 1. Odessa as 2. Gillette as 1. Number 7. Who was number
The
7?
first caller.
Somebody put number 7 there.
Suzette,
Suzette. Okay, number 7. The first caller again.
which is Odessa.
Odessa. Yeah. Caller 1. Caller 1 again. One say Tosh. Yeah. The lady with the 3 kids
Okay, that was Odessa.
that did a surgery not long ago.
That was Odessa.
Odessa. Okay.
Number
Caller
1.
1 again. Can I vote cause me late? Okay, well, if you know who you want to vote for, then you sure can vote if you heard the
Number
stories.
1.
Number 1, number 1.
Number 2.
Number 2, Tosh again. Yes, number 1. Number 1 is leading. Number 7. Someone said Sandra.
Okay.
I think the lady with the back problem, not sure her name.
That was Odessa.
Odessa, that is. Number 1 again. Number 1. Number 1. Caller number 1. Yes. All right. Let's go a couple more. We're going to take 3 more votes, and then we're going to determine who the winner is going to be. Let's see. Number 1 again. Number 1. Guys, so who's leading here?
Odessa.
Who's the second?
Suzette has 2.
Suzette has 2. Odessa's leading. Odessa
Got
again.
another one.
Odessa got another 1. Caller number 1.
All right.
All right. So here, it's going to go down tonight.
Okay.
Okay.
Same
And
one.
the same again. All right. So it looks like Odessa.
Somebody says Suzette. 1 and 7.
Number 1 and number 7. You guys are the 2 winners tonight.
Okay, so
Congratulations.
congratulations.
Please call in and choose a box.
Odessa calls first.
Odessa, please call in and tell us which box do you want. Number 1 or number 2, because there are some slight differences
In the box.
in the boxes.
Yes.
Yes? Some slight differences. Call and tell us what box. Hello, good night.
Hello?
Hello, good night. Is this Odessa?
Good night. Yes, it's Odessa.
Congratulations, Queen.
Congratulations, Queen.
Thank you
Yes.
so much. I greatly appreciate it.
You're welcome. Can you choose a box?
Box 1 or 2?
Box 1 or box 2?
I'll pick 2.
Number 2.
Okay.
All right, congratulations.
All right,
Please text us your name and your and we will call you back. All right, Odessa, we're gonna call for your information. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Odessa.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
All
All right,
right,
Suzette, give us a call back. please.
Suzette, please give us a call back. Yes, congratulations.
Yes,
Yeah,
congratulations
congratulations
to both
to
of
them.
you.
Yes. Yes, queens, kings and queens. Congratulate them. All right, come on. We're waiting on Suzette.
Suzette.
Suzette, we're waiting on you. Please give us a call if you're listening. We want to make sure we have your... There she is. Hi, Suzette.
Hi, Suzette.
Hello, good night again.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Queen.
Yes. Congratulations. Go ahead and text us, Suzette. Just text us your name and we're going to call you, okay?
Okay, Queen. Thank you, Chocolate and Vanilla.
You're welcome.
Queen.
Congratulations.
Congratulations to you both.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. It's about the money. Ain't nothing funny about the money. Are you going to do the same thing
Somebody
again?
said the audio's low. I don't know why.
The audience, I don't
Anybody having
know.
a problem? It's
Anybody?
turned up.
Yeah, it's turned up. Anybody else having a problem hearing us? Anybody?
Are you guys able to hear us?
The comments aren't moving. Odessa said, good luck, everyone. Okay. All right. So that was the only person that said.
Hearing loud and clear. Okay,
All right.
Thank you, Social Media Newsroom. Pick up
Thank you,
yourself.
Social Media
Thank you,
Newsroom.
Laurel.
Thank you, Laurel.
Thank you,
Thank you, Marjorie.
Thank you so much.
We're going to do the same procedure for the $100. It's going to be $200 tonight for 2 people. You're going to call in, tell us how this $100 would help you with back to school. That's it. The audience is going to vote on the story. All right? The phone lines are open. So go right ahead and give us a call. All right?
Okay.
Here we go.
Phone line's open.
The phones are open. Let's go. Hello, good night.
Hi, good night.
Good night. Go right ahead, Queen.
Yeah. I would greatly appreciate it so I could help with the books for the PEP.
Oh, this is Tashi calling back, right, Tashi?
Yeah.
All right, Tashi. We're going to put you in the running. This is Tashi again. All right. Good luck, Tashi.
Thank you.
You're
Good luck.
welcome. Hello, good night.
Night.
Good night.
Good night. Go right ahead.
Yes, I'm not calling it for the money for myself, but my neighbor has a son that passed to go to Monroe. So I know it would be the great thing, sir, if he's able to buy his book or put on his school fee.
Okay.
And what is your
And
name?
what is your name? Just your first name.
Diana.
Okay, Deanna. All right, Deanna, for her neighbor. All right, Deanna, good luck, all right?
Yeah, man.
All right, big up yourself, Queen. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Good night, Queen.
Good night. Go right ahead, Queen.
Yes, I'm calling on behalf of my 2 children. I
Okay.
get some of the things already to buy, but I'm still waiting to buy more things, and I'm not getting paid until the month end.
Okay.
And school going and open next week, so I don't know if I will get paid on time to
Okay.
finish by the stuff to carry by the school, for they give us a deadline to bring in the stuff to the school that the children could come in after.
Okay,
Okay.
I'm
Queen.
not sure when I'm getting paid, if I'm getting it on time, that I could buy before to
Okay.
carry the things to school.
Okay, Queen, what is your name?
Toya.
Toya. All right,
right,
Toya. Good luck, all right?
Yes.
Hello, good night. Oops. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Yes. Go right ahead. Good night.
I have a daughter who just passed 6 of 8 subjects, and I would really need the help
Okay.
for the money for her to go back to 6th form.
Okay.
And what is your name, Queen? You don't have to give me all of your name.
Alrika.
Alrika. All right. Good luck, Alrika.
Okay.
All
All
right.
right. That's it. No,
That's
1,
4.
2, 3, 4. There were others calling, but they had to hang up. You can call back. The phone line is clear. All right. Hello. Good night. Hello. Good night.
Hello, good night.
Good
Yeah,
night.
good night. Go right ahead.
Yeah, my name is Natasha. I have a daughter who has passed 6 subjects out of 7, and she's going to 6th form. But I am not, I don't classify anything as far for her back to school. I would really like the help.
Okay,
It's really rough.
all right, Natasha.
All right,
All right,
Natasha.
Tasha. Good luck, all right?
Good luck, good luck.
Hello, good night.
Right? I would like that money to, I want me to go back to college.
Okay.
Okay.
What is your name, Queen?
Chica. I
Chica.
started, but I took out a loan for someone and they forfeited the loan, so I have to be paying back for that loan. So that that helped me not to finish my career.
Oh, okay, Queen.
Okay.
All right, good luck.
Good luck.
All right, good luck, Queen.
All right, that's 6.
That is 6. Now it's your time, audience. Marlene, pick up yourself.
Marlene, pick up.
Ms. Makita, big up yourself. Oh, you want us to repeat what's going on? Well,
Okay.
if you're just joining us, we gave away 2 boxes of school supplies tonight. Based on the callers' stories, the audience were the one voting on who we should gift these 2 boxes to. All right, we've moved past that. Now we have $200. We're giving away $100 to two people, and it's gonna be up to the audience based on the stories that they've heard so far who we should bless with the this $100. All right.
So we have number 6 got 1.
Number 6 got 1. The back to school student. All right, let's go, audience.
Right there.
Vote.
What's this one?
Deanna was. We need vote. We can't stop to read what y'all saying. All right, we just need the vote. Number 2. All right, who was number 2?
Deanna.
Deanna, number 2. 2. Okay, we got some for number 2.
Elrika got 1.
Elrika got number 4.
Elrika.
Number 4. Yep. Let's go. Deanna. Yep.
Okay.
Let's go with the vote.
Number 2.
Number 2 again.
Number 2 again.
Number 2 again. Number 6 again.
Okay.
All right.
4 and 6.
4 and 6. Number 2. Number 6. Number 2 again. The one for the neighbor children. That was Deanna. Another one for Deanna. 2 and 4. Somebody said 2 and 4. All right. Well, there is a tie between
6.
number 6 and number 4.
Number 2.
Yeah. Oh, number 6 went to Egg. Yeah, number 6 is gone. Number 2 is leading.
4.
Number 4. Okay. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2. All right. So, we're going to close it down. Number 2, lead by far.
Yep.
Congratulations to number 2 and number 6.
Deanna and Chica.
Deanna and the college student. Yes. Congratulations, guys.
Congratulations.
Please give us a
to
call.
both of you.
Deanna, please give us a call back. All right. And the college student,
Chica.
Chica. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Can you please give us a call, both of you?
Both of you. Yes. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Yes.
To everybody
To
so
everybody so far.
far. All right, we got a call.
We got a call. Hello.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
You
You're
are
welcome.
most welcome. Thanks
You're welcome,
thanks
Queen.
the queens and the kings in the audience tonight.
Yes, thank you all. Thank you all, because Trying to help out someone. I was working and I helped them to take out a car, and they forfeited the deal, so I have to pay back $1 million out of my pocket.
Oh, wow.
Oh, boy.
So that's what hindered me from finishing college. But I decided that I'm gonna go back.
And you should.
And you should.
And you should, Queen.
Don't let that
Yes.
hinder your dream.
Don't let that stop you, all right? Congratulations. Text us your name. Just your name, and we will call you right back, all right? All right.
You're welcome, Queen.
You're welcome. Hello. Hello.
Thank you.
You're
All right,
welcome.
you're welcome.
The phone that vote for me.
Yes. She said thanks to you guys
She said
in the
thank you.
audience
Yes.
who voted for her.
Yeah, I know the mother will appreciate it.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah.
Yes, a little, when God is in it, it's much. It's a
That's
lot.
right.
Yes, yes, so give thanks and congratulations. And that was awesome of you to do that for someone, all right?
Yes, that's very sweet.
Yes, may God bless you, all right?
All right, text us.
Text us
and
your
we'll
name,
call you.
Deanna. You know how we do it. We'll call you, all right? All right,
Okay.
blessings. All right, so the other day, I made a post on the chocolate and vanilla page saying, what is boiled dumpling and melt away? And if you responded to that post, we entered the first 30 people in a drawing for $100. We have all the names
Of the 30 people.
of the 30 people who responded under that post.
And we replied back to everybody and said, you are number XYZ.
We replied to everyone as we write your name down with the number and we drop it in the bin. We write under your comment, thank you, your number such and such.
Yep.
Let's see if anybody from that post is on here tonight. Laurel
No,
said she
sorry,
missed that
Queen.
one. Sorry, Queen. Sorry. But somebody's answering now. But
Yeah.
yes, but this is for that specific post. Reason why we did that is because we promised that we would do a platform award this year, and we haven't had the opportunity to do so because of being so busy, right? So we figure if we make just a simple little post, our followers, they're going to participate.
Yep.
Yeah?
And we had a lot of people participate.
We had a
but we had already
lot of
gotten to the
people, but
30.
we already gotten to the people.
Yes.
Yes. So because we're not going to be able to follow through on the platform award because of our schedule,
Yeah.
we decided that we would still want to just give a supporter something.
Yep.
So we're doing a little raffle tonight for another $100. All right. So all the names are in here, but I want to see if anyone is on here. Someone said they're on here.
Yep.
You have to be on this live tonight
To win.
to win.
Yep.
You have to be on the live tonight to win. If
So
I
we-
call your name and you don't answer, I'm going to keep pulling until someone from this container wins that $100 tonight.
Yep.
That's how it's going to work. Hear there. Let's shake it up. We're shaking it up. All
We have a
30.
couple people said me.
Me. All right. If you said butter. All right, Vanilla, pick the first name. And we're giving you a minute to call us. We're going to move on.
Number 6, Cheryl Riley.
Number 6, Cheryl Riley. Number 6, Cheryl Riley. And you have a minute to call us, or You're out of it.
See, everybody else say me.
You have a minute. So let's just hope for the Mimis in here. She's not on here to call. Yes. Just hope for the Mimis in here. She'll call within a minute. I'm watching the time, by the way. When it turns, oops. I'm going to give it till it turns from 59. All right? Because I wasn't watching it. I'm going to wait till it turns to 10 o'clock. Yes. Then I'm going to move on.
It was at 9. It was at 9. So when it turns to 10?
Yeah, it was at 8, but I think it was close to 9.
Okay.
Yes. And I don't want to be unfair.
Yeah.
Yes. Somebody said
me.
You know, if you get a number, if you did get a number under your name, we're going to shake it till 10 come. 10 soon come. Seconds now. Seconds now.
All right.
Seconds now.
Me. Everybody says me.
Thank you for your support. Thank you. You never know what we're up to when we make a little stupid post them.
Yep.
Yes. So, we're going to go draw. We're going to go 10.
All right.
Stand for me. Shake it up and let me pull one. Okay. Lucky. I hope you're on here. Let's see who you be. Number 24, Cecile Johnson. Number 24, Cecile Johnson. We're going to give you till 10:01. All right, so we're going to give you till 10:01. 10:01, Cecile Johnson, number 24. Number 24, Cecile Johnson.
Jamaican Sweetie Pie, big up.
Big up yourself, Jamaican Sweetie Pie. Oh, thank you so much, Ms. Makeda. Hope I'm saying it right and I didn't murder your name. All right, we're shaking until 10:01. 10:01, Vanilla. We're going to pick another name. All right, till we get somebody who was on that, under that comment.
Marcia Curry, number 1. Marcia Curry.
Number 1, Marcia Curry. If you're on here, you got until 10:02 to call. Marcia Curry. Yes, she was what? Number 1.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Hold on.
Stay with it, Vanilla. Stay with it. That's all you have to know. I keep track of it.
Number 1.
Yeah, because I know you're number 1.
Yeah, number 1.
Stay with it, Vanilla. Come on, you got until 10:02.
Come on, Queen.
Come on, Queen. If you're not on here, we're moving on. Somebody
ran away?
They ran away.
Marcia gone to bed.
I can't manage.
Yes. You guys are...
Come on. All right, 10:02.
Your turn.
My turn, 10:02. All right, and we're moving right along. We must find a winner tonight from that. We must find a winner. All right. Number 16, Sandra Copeland. Number 16, Sandra Copeland. You have until 10:03 to call us. Get moving. Number 16. Yes, when I don't watch this back, we're not going to beat up on yourself. Sorry. You have until number 10:03. It's 10:02. Come on. Come on with it. Sandra Copeland. Sandra Copeland. Number 16. You got until 10:03. It's almost going to turn 3, I'm telling you.
There it is.
There it is.
Right,
Number 3. Vanilla. Wait.
Up 2.
Oh, gotta shake it up. Oh,
Yeah,
shake it up back.
again.
She picked 2, so go ahead. 1, Vanilla, 1. Okay. Who is it?
Sunshine Queen, number 21.
Sunshine Queen.
If you're on
Number
here.
21, Sunshine
You have till
Queen.
10:04, Sunshine Queen.
You got until 10:04. We're going to shake till 10:04, Sunshine Queen. Where are you? You are one of them. Sunshine Queen number what? 21.
21.
21. We're watching the phone. We're shaking until 10:04. Where the lucky people them there?
My Sunshine Queen.
Juletta, where's number 18? Oh Lord, we don't know a loss in here somewhere. Just hope. We're gonna wait till 10:04. We're gonna come on, Sunshine Queen. Sunshine Queen.
10:04.
10:04.
Your turn.
My turn. That's how we're gonna do it tonight. Be the lucky one. Come on. If you did get a number, you're in the running.
Please.
Let's see who is here. CC Flynn Blake. CC, Miss CC Flynn Blake. You are number 11.
If you're on the live, please call us, Queen.
Please call us because we're going to move on at 10:05. Miss CC Flynn Blake, you are number 11. All right, Miss CC, come on, you have until 10:05. Come on with it. Come on. Nobody here tonight. Knock, knock, knock. Knock, knock, knock. Knock, knock, knock. Come on, Miss CC. You better be on here. No, she's not. It no, doesn't look good for you, Miss CC. It almost gone 10:05. Let's move on. Yes, pick one. Yes, let's see who now. Let's see.
Sandra Benton. Number 3, Sandra Benton.
Number 3,
You
Sandra
have till
Benton.
10:06.
You got
Sandra.
until 10:06, Sandra Benton. Betton.
Come on, Sandra.
Yes.
10:06.
It's Cassandra.
Cassandra, sorry.
Not Sandra. Cassandra.
Cassandra Benton.
Number 3, Cassandra Benton. Betton. You got until 10:06 to call us. Come
Everyone's
on.
sleeping.
Everybody asleep.
They're at Burger King.
Then they're Burger King. Yeah, we wait till 10:06. It's soon done 10:06. It's soon done 10:06. It's a countdown.
Come on, Cassandra.
10:06.
All right, your turn.
My
to pick.
turn. My turn. Okay, let's go. Let's see who I picked. Let's see who I pick. All right. Cecile Murray. Cecile Murray, number 23. Cecile Murray, Murray. Cecile, Cecile. You have until 10:07. Come on, everybody near them bed. No, sir. You have until 10:07. Oh, no, go and kick on yourself in the butt when you don't watch my live. Yeah.
When you watch this.
Yes.
Sorry.
10:07. We shake
Sorry,
it
that's
till
why you
10.
never know with chocolate and vanilla.
Give it to me. Come on, if you were under that post and you get a number, come on. And if we're going last one out in a call, we just have to go pick from the audience. So let's go. 10:07.
All right, my
Yes,
turn to pick.
10:07. All right, let's go. Come on.
Thelo Gibbs.
Thelo Gibbs.
Number
Gibbs.
28. Thelo Gibbs.
Thelo.
Gibbs.
Gibbs.
Number 28.
Number 28. We're shaking until 10:08. We're shaking till 10:08, guys. You're sweating, Juliet? Juliet says she has sweat. Oh, sweat, Angela. May I sweat for you too? May I sweat for you too, Lord Shaker?
Number tick, 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 tick,
Tick,
tick.
tick.
Come on,
I'm
10:08.
in.
And that's what I say.
The front one waiting to be picked. Let's leave. Yes, come on. 10:08. All of them people, yeah, they're them bed asleep. I wonder which part. I wonder which part then there. Oh Lord, I wonder which part.
Bingo.
Oh.
10:08.
10:08. 10:08. Let's go. All right, let's get our lucky person, man. Sashira Daw. Sashira Daw 29. Sashira Daw, D-A-W. You have until 10:09 to call us. Sashira, we're shaking until 10:09. Come on. $100 up for grabs.
Who's it gonna be?
Who is gonna be?
Who's
We're
gonna be the lucky,
upward
lucky,
toiling
lucky?
through the night.
Well, just think all those numbers.
10:09.
Everybody else-
10:09. We're shaking until 10:09.
Yeah, but everybody in the comments is getting closer
Come on.
and closer to phone and number.
Yeah,
Think
closer,
about it like that.
closer.
Closer,
I
Hussein,
get
pick up
to
yourself.
you, the closer I get to you, the more you
10:09.
make. 10:09, bingo time. Go for it, Vanilla. All right, let's see who.
Gloria Thompson, number 14.
Gloria Thompson, number 14.
You have till 10.
You have till 10:10. Gloria Thompson. Gloria Thompson, you have till 10:10.
Gloria Thompson, 10.
Come on.
You have 1 minute.
1 minute. 10:10. Ring up the phone. Ring up the
Shashira
phone.
late.
Sash-
Can't call now.
Yes.
Too late.
Too late. Your time passed. It's gone. Yes, you gotta be on the live to win it. You
Yep.
gotta be.
When
yes.
you called your name within that 1 minute.
Yes. 10:10. We're waiting on 10:10. We're waiting on 10:10.
Oh, see, she just joined.
Oh,
Honey.
good night,
Good night,
Ipasio.
Shashira. Sorry,
Good
I'm not the
night.
queen.
10:10.
All right, your turn.
My turn. All right. $100 up for grab for one of our wonderful supporter, Patricia Jones, number 9. Patricia Jones, number 9.
You
have until 10:11 to call us. A minute. 10:11 or we're moving right along. Patricia Jones. Who is this? Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Okay, that wasn't Patricia Jones. That was somebody just trying to ring off my celly. Oh, we have until 10:11. Come on, Patricia Jones. Patricia Jones. 10:11, then we're going to pick. What they said in the comment. Good night, Lorna. How you doing?
Good night, Lorna.
Patricia Dawkins, good night. You're here? Yeah, you're here. Welcome.
All right, 10:11.
10:11. Who's
My
turn?
turn.
Pick. All right. Go right ahead.
Belinda Robinson Boucher. Number
Belinda.
4. Belinda Robinson Boucher. You have till 10:12.
You have
Belinda.
until 10:12, Belinda. We shaking.
We shaking.
Somebody call it.
We
Who's this
shaking.
kept calling? Hello, good night. No,
Too late.
it's too late. It's too late. Your
Ready
minute.
on.
Yeah, your minute is up. Your minute was up. We have to
Sorry,
move on.
Queen.
All right,
sorry,
Queen.
Queen.
Sorry. All right, we're shaking until 10:12. 10:12. You miss, you snooze, you lose. 10:12. Come on.
Belinda Robinson Boucher.
Belinda Robinson Boucher. Come on, we move. Once we move on, we're not turning back.
No.
Ain't no turning back. Come on. It's not fair to the other people who are here waiting to
Patiently.
Patiently, yes. We're moving right along. Sorry.
What time did we say? 10:12?
10:12, it's time. All right. Let's see who this is now.
Drum roll, please.
Tia Broomfield. Tia Broomfield, number 12. Tia Broomfield. BROMFIELD. You have until 10:13 to call to claim your $100. Are we moving on? We're moving on at 10:13, right?
Yep.
10:13. A minute. Come on, let's go. Wanna have me over here thirsty.
Sorry, Shashira.
All of the people them gone. Got in bed. Yes. Yes. We're shaking. No, we can't change the rules because you just came on. We cannot do that. That's not gonna be fair to the other people who are in this bin right
And
here
who
with
are
their
on
names.
the live.
Yes, and who have been on the live. No.
And I beg you, we forgot.
13.
My turn to pick.
Let's go. Let's go. That's the rule of the game.
Jennifer Mitchell Gems.
Jennifer Mitchell Gems.
Number 22.
Number 22. You
Yes,
have until
10:14.
10:14. Jennifer Mitchell Gems. Number 22. You have until 10:14. We shaking. We shaking. We're shaking until 10:14.
Shaky, shaky.
Jennifer Mitchell Gems. Number 22. What time we said we check?
10:14.
10:14.
But just pick the one there. Your turn to pick.
Okay.
Your turn.
You gotta be in it
To win it.
to win it. She's working. I'm over here working too. Yes. Monique Mackenzie, number 7. Monique Mackenzie, number 7. You have until 10:15. We're shaking until 10:15. We're shaking until 10:15. Somebody said something about chocolate and vanilla. What? Good night, Yvonne Powell. Good night.
Yvonne.
Sorry, we're just here listening out. Who's calling? Let's see who this. Monique Mackenzie. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Who am I speaking to?
Monique McKinney.
Congratulations!
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Queen!
Thank you.
Yes!
All right, you are lucky number 7.
You're lucky number 7. Please go ahead and text us your name and we're going to call you back, all right?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Queen.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Congratulations
To
to all the
everybody.
winners.
Oh, that was
Congratulations
fun.
to everybody.
They had me sweating, but that
Yes.
was fun.
Yes.
Sorry to the people who have missed it, but thank you so much for participating.
Yes, thank you for joining.
It's always fun to just give back to you
Yes.
wonderful and amazing people. Yes. And thank you so much for your help in deciding between all these folks for back to school, all right? I'm not lying. Somebody say I'm not lying. What about I'm not lying? They decided to show evidence of why they call in. All right. But anyways, thank you guys so much. It's been a pleasure. It was really nice being out here.
Yes,
with
thank you guys so
tonight.
much for joining us. It was fun. I enjoyed giving back.
Yes. And Master Baker will be on this weekend. Stay tuned, all right? God bless you guys. I love you guys as always, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. Big up on yourself. Shashira, big up yourself. Jackie Gross, big up yourself.
Shashira, Jackie.
Yeah, Miss Makita, thank
Deanna.
you. Big up yourself. Deanna, big up yourself.
Jackie Gross.
Much love to you guys. Leslie, big up yourself. All right.
Lola,
big up yourself.
Crystal
Hussein, big up yourself. Pat Mullins, big up yourself. Jamaica Sweetie Pie, big up yourself.
Cecilia
Carter, big up yourself. Maureen Brown, all right. God bless each and every one of you guys. Odessa, we're gonna call you guys. If we don't call you tonight, we most certainly will reach out to you in the morning, all right?
Yes.
But you'll hear from us on how we're gonna get your prizes to you. All right? We don't do anything and not follow through on it, okay?
That's right.
That's whoever one from our platform will tell you that. All right? So don't you worry if you're not here from with tonight a lot. I wonder if them won't call out with the $100. Now last night we winning, or them not call we yet.
Them a $100.
$100, you understand? Big up on yourself. God bless you guys.
Big up. Thank you
Have
guys
a
for
good
joining
night.
us. Have a blessed night. Take care.
Good
Bye-bye.
night.
That sitting's in my way. Hold on.
With it, hang on.
There. All right. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.